Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to change the blades on your Ecovacs robot lawnmower. So first of all, how often should you change these? Well, according to the app, you should change these every 80 hours of usage. And the app will actually keep track of how many hours your blades have been used. And you can check that by clicking on Robot Settings and then Maintenance. Then you can see how many hours your blades have left on them, and you can actually buy blades right there through the app, or you can get them off Amazon, and I'll put a link to those under the video in the description. And then you can click on Replace to reset the hours for your new blades. Now the mower does actually come with spare blades and screws that look like this, or you can order these right through the app or off of Amazon like I said before, and the package will look like this. And again, I'll put a link to these under the video if you want to check them out. So the first step is to turn the power off by pressing this power button. And then if you have a model with the sensor on top, you want to take the rubber LiDAR cover and go ahead and put that on there so when you flip the mower over, you don't damage it. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip the mower over, and I'm even going to lay down a towel just for an extra little bit of padding for that sensor, just to make sure we don't damage it. Now the process is very simple. I'm just going to hold the blade disc in place with a gloved hand and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to take out the Phillips head screws that are holding the blades in place. Now that I have all three blades off, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this area up with a rag just to clean it up. And I'm going to replace the screws as well, because the heads of those screws had a lot of grass built up in them and they were kind of corroded. So just to make sure we can get them off easily in the future, I'm going to go ahead and replace the screws and the blades. Go ahead and clean some of that off with the leaf blower as well. And here is the old blade with one of the new blades if you want to see the difference. Then we'll go ahead and put the new blades on. It does not matter which way they go on. And these screws can be tightened down all the way and the blades will still spin freely. Now we'll do the other blade disc. Again, we'll hold that with a gloved hand, and then we'll just have to kind of break those screws free. Sometimes you have to put a little bit of pressure on it because it's got some grass built up in there to get it to catch. And then we'll remove these blades and screws and put the new ones on. We'll go ahead and wipe this one off. So then you're going to do the same thing on this disc. You're going to go ahead and put your new blades and screws in. Then I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up. Now I'm just going to double check that all of these are seated flush and that the blades are spinning freely. And they are. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this back over. And that is it. You are ready to put this baby back on the charger or get it out cutting some fresh stripes. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.